what's up, folks? Welcome to this channel. Okay, in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about something extremely important. Okay, it's gonna determine whether or not you're gonna be successful or not. You're gonna be successful. Now, listen, a lot of hearts, a lot of people. Okay, I'm talking about depression. Subscribe to the channel so I'm notified when any video is out. Okay, don't subscribe if you don't know why. Okay, let me tell you why you should subscribe. Okay, subscribing to this channel is gonna be helpful. Why? Because I give value. I give value. Okay, I give value. What will help you to succeed? What will move you forward? What will move you to the next level? Okay, what's gonna take you the whole ride? Okay, I give those things to you. Okay, that is why you should subscribe to this channel. Okay, so now I'm talking about something very important. Okay, your feelings. Okay, many of us have been addicted to feel certain ways. Okay, many of us you feel sad. Okay, all the time. You feel depressed all the time. You feel fear, anxiety, worry, insecurity all the time. Okay, many people on this planet have been addicted to feel certain ways. Okay, now these feelings, take note, your thought leads to feelings, right? Your feelings, okay, can also drive thoughts, okay, in your head. Let's say you're feeling sad. Okay, you're feeling sad right now. Okay, that feeling can drive thoughts in your head. Okay, thought of the same sadness. Okay, thought to feel sad, to make you feel sad all the more. Okay, so now listen, a lot of us are not conscious of this, but it happens. Okay, watch your feelings. That's why I guess that's the purpose of this video. Watch your feelings. How you feel is gonna determine how you're gonna act. Okay, and how you act is gonna determine the results you get. Okay, so watching your feelings is a way of regulating the results you get. Okay, and the way of influencing the results you are getting. So watch your feelings a lot. Okay, most of us be addicted to feel sad, to feel unproductive, to feel I'm not good enough. That's gonna drive thoughts in your head. That's why you just feel not good enough. You're gonna get thoughts of not thoughts of how you failed before, thoughts of how you have been unproductive, so that you can feel that you can have that feeling all the more and act from it and get the results. Okay, depression, okay, anxiety, fear, worry. So watch your feelings every day. That's what I want to share with you. Be conscious of how you feel. You act from your feelings. Okay, you act from your feelings. Okay, if you are feeling bad, you're likely not to purchase. Okay, let's say an affiliate product. If you are feeling sad, you're likely not to okay, take a lot of things. You're likely not to do a lot of good things that will benefit you. So your feelings is what drives you. Okay, so you got to become aware of how you feel. Become aware of how you feel. But many people are not conscious of how they feel, so they just overlook the feeling, the way they feel. So they don't know that the way they feel drives the thoughts, which can program you. Okay, so you can program yourself by not becoming aware of how you feel. The feelings drive the thoughts. The thought leads to feelings, action. This process repeats itself again, over and over again, so it becomes a program in you. Then you begin to get the results you don't want to get. Then you become depressed. You begin to feel insecurity. You're gonna feel you feel insecure. You're gonna feel fear, worry, anxiety. Okay, so you need to feel far from your goals. Okay, that's why many people conscious mind, they want to be successful, but they are not successful. They are the opposite of what they wish. Why? They're programs. Okay, they should check their feelings. You check your feelings as you go out in your day-to-day work. Check your feelings. Watch how you feel. Become conscious. Consciousness is power. Once you become conscious, you are feeling sad, you are feeling unproductive. Probably as a result of what has happened to you in your past. And once you become aware of it, that is energy liberation, man. You're gonna be liberated, okay? So that is why this video was created. It was created to make you become aware of your feelings. Become conscious of them. You can lead to your thought, which I'm programming, okay? So this is all we have for today. Subscribe to this channel for more videos.